Welcome back, my fellow marketing enthusiasts. Today, we're about to embark on a mind-blowing journey into the captivating world of neuromarketing. Buckle up, because we're going to dive deep into the intricate workings of the self-centered brain and uncover the hidden gems that can revolutionize your marketing game. Imagine a world where the brain is the ultimate diva, constantly putting itself in the spotlight. Well, my friends, that's the incredible revelation of neuromarketing. Our brains are naturally wired to be self-centered, focusing on our own needs, desires, and well-being. And guess what? Savvy brands have cracked the code to harness this psychological phenomenon. Let's kick off this electrifying exploration by shining the spotlight on a brand that has mastered the art of captivating our self-centered desires, Nike. They've become the unrivaled champion of appealing to our innate longing for personal success and achievement. With their iconic slogan, "Just do it," they effortlessly tap into our deepest aspirations, inspiring us to push our limits, chase our dreams, and conquer the world, all while sporting those iconic swoosh-adorned kicks. Bravo, Nike! Ah, Apple, the maestro of captivating our self-centered souls. They have truly built an empire by catering to our insatiable need for individuality and self-expression. With their mesmerizing Think Different campaign, they invite us to break free from the conformity shackles and embrace our unique identities. It's as if they've handed us a golden ticket to stand out from the crowd while clutching our beloved Apple devices, a symbol of our self-centered devotion. So, how do these brilliant brands work their magic? Let's unravel the secret techniques they employ to conquer our self-centered hearts. Technique number 1, emotional storytelling. Brace yourselves, because this is where the true sorcery happens. Brands that can tug at our heartstrings with compelling narratives leave an indelible mark on our souls. Take Coca-Cola, for example. Their heartwarming holiday commercials transport us to a realm of pure joy, reminding us of the true essence of the season, sharing special moments with loved ones. Suddenly, with a single sip of that fizzy elixir, we're enveloped in a warm, nostalgic embrace, making memories that will last a lifetime. Technique number 2, the power of personalization. Ah, the sweet symphony of feeling like the center of the universe. Nothing screams you are the star of the show quite like having something tailor-made just for you. Starbucks has perfected this art by offering customizable beverages and a personalized rewards program. As you strut into one of their bustling cafes, you're greeted by a barista who knows your name, your order, and your deepest desires. It's as if you're stepping into your very own VIP lounge, where every sip feels like a bespoke creation made just for you. Technique number 3, the undeniable influence of social proof. Humans are inherently social creatures, constantly seeking validation from our peers. Brands have tapped into this primal instinct, strategically showcasing social proof to sway our decisions. Amazon's customers who bought this also bought feature in TripAdvisor's user reviews are prime examples of how they guide our choices by revealing what others have experienced. And let's not forget the power of influencers. When our favorite social media personalities give a product their stamp of approval, we can't resist the gravitational pull they exert on our self-centered desires. But how can you, my fellow entrepreneurs, seize the reins of the self-centered brain and direct it towards your business success? Get ready for the juiciest insights! First and foremost, targeted messaging is your secret weapon. Immerse yourself in the minds of your audience and craft marketing messages that directly speak to their self-centered desires, aspirations, and needs. Show them precisely how your product or service will elevate their lives, fulfill their dreams, and make them the ultimate rock stars. Second, embrace the intoxicating power of personalization. People crave that sense of being special, unique, and cherished. So, offer tailor-made experiences that cater to their individual preferences. Whether it's creating a customized product, curating a personalized customer journey, or unleashing your creativity through bespoke offerings, make them feel like royalty with a one-of-a-kind experience they'll cherish forever. Next, let's talk about the magic of emotional appeal. Our hearts are wild creatures, yearning to be moved, stirred, and touched. So, weave captivating stories that deeply resonate with your audience's personal experiences and aspirations. Whether it's evoking laughter, bringing a tear to the eye, or igniting a fire within their souls, when your brand becomes a vessel for emotions, you forge an unbreakable bond with your audience. Last but certainly not least, never underestimate the power of user-centric design. Craft your products, websites, and marketing materials with an unwavering focus on the user experience. Make it effortlessly easy for your customers to understand the benefits, navigate seamlessly, and indulge in the sheer pleasure of engaging with your brand. When you make them feel like the true stars of the show, you'll earn their unwavering loyalty and undying affection. And there you have it, my fellow marketing aficionados. Neuromarketing has laid bare the secrets of the self-centered brain, and now you hold the key to winning over your audience like never before. So go forth, unleash your marketing magic, and remember, with the self-centered brain on your side, the sky's the limit.